So, again, this is N and P. It says that N and P are parallel. Okay? We know that alternate interior angles, alternate exterior angles, and corresponding angles are all congruent if they are parallel. So, if parallel, then this is true, right? Then alternating interior angles are congruent. Alternating exterior angles are congruent. Corresponding angles are congruent. If they're parallel, then this is true. Same side interior angles are supplementary. Same side exterior angles are supplementary. We know that's true. Now we've got to prove it. We've got to use these proofs to prove what these are. That's it. That's it. So we go angle 3 and angle 6. Angle 3 and angle 6. Are they alternating, right? Do they alternate around the transversal? Okay? So the question is, do they alternate? The other question is, are they interior? Right? So are they in here? Are they both inside? Okay? Or are they exterior? Are they out here? Okay? You have to ask yourself that. Okay? So 2 questions. 1, do 6 and 3 alternate across the transversal? Do they alternate? Yes or no? Okay? Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Let's see it. Thumbs up for yes, thumbs down for no. Let me see it. Everybody. Up for yes, down for no. Do they alternate across here? They go one on each side of the red line. One on each side of the red line. Yes? No. Yes? No. Yes? No. Chayton, is that a yes or is that a no? Yes? Okay? Carlos? Okay? Alright, so we know that they're alternating. Alright, so we know they're alternating. That means they have to be one of these two. So, are they on the inside? Or are they on the outside? Inside, thumbs up. Outside, thumbs down. Show me. What are they? Inside or outside? Are they in the red or are they in the brown? Are they in the red or are they in the brown? Sancha, red or brown? Okay, so your thumb should be up. Carlos, red or brown? Red or brown? Red. Lamont. Chayton. Red or brown? Skylar, red or brown? Jonathan? Red or brown? Right? That's it. So that just means that they're interior. Alternating interior. That's it. Alternating interior angles. That's it. We're done. Okay? Sancha? Okay? Alright. 2 and 7. That means I'm going to take these away and talk about 2 and 7. Okay? So 2 and 7. Are they alternating? Right? Are they alternating? Are they both inside? No. They're both outside. So what do we call that? That's it. Alternating exterior angles. People, I'm not asking the world of you. I'm asking you to follow a pattern. It's a simple pattern. This may seem really easy, but that's just because I'm such a bad angle side teacher. Okay? But, spell it out. It's okay. Angle, side, side. Okay? So, we'll be talking about angle, side, side next chapter. Right? But, it gets harder. Right? So take it while it's easy. Make it easy. It's not easy if you don't know these. Okay? You have to know this. Or at least have it in your cheat sheet. Next. 4 and 6. 4 and 6. We're going to talk about 4 and we're going to talk about 6. Are they alternating? Are they on both sides of that red line?
Yeah.
They're on both sides? Or are they both on one side? So yeah, are they on both sides? Are they alternating? Or on the same side?
They're on the same side.
They're on the same side. Okay? So if they're on the same side, are they both interior? Are they both exterior? Or is one interior and one exterior?
They're interior.
They're both interior. So what do we call that? Same side interior. Which are what? Are they complementary? Or are they supplementary? Supplementary. So they should add to be 180, right? That's what supplementary means. Okay? So in other words, same side interior angles. That's what they are. That's the proof. Okay? That's it. Not asking the world, guys. Not. Next. Plug in 14. What is 8 times 14? 8 times 10? 80. 8 times 4? 32. 80 and 32. Come on. 112. Come on. Minus 7. 112 minus 7? 105, right? Is that right? Okay. Alright. 6 times 14. 6 times 10 is 60. 6 times 4 is 24. 60 and 24 is 84. Plus 21. What's 84 plus 21? Is that 105? Right? So these are congruent, right? These are congruent. So they're saying measure of angle 1 is congruent to the measure of angle 8. But why? Why? So we need to go over here. We need to look at 1 and 8. We look at 1 and 8 and we say, what's going on? Are they alternating? Do they go from one side to the other? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay. They go from one side to the other side. They alternate. You see that? Okay? Alright, so they alternate. That means they're one of these two. They're congruent, right? So they're one of these three, we know from a fact, right? They're congruent, so they're one of these three. Now we know it's one of these two. So, are they interior or are they exterior?
Exterior.
Done. Alternating exterior angles. And that's it. That's what we're doing, people. That's what we're doing. Later, you're going to have to prove this. Right now, they're giving it to you. And you just have to tell me this. Later, you're going to have to say, oh, they're this, so I'm going to prove that they're this. That x is 14. Because then I can set these equal to each other and solve, right? Just like chapter 1. Right? When we said this segment plus this segment, add them up and they equal 140 or 130 or 36 or whatever. It's just basic algebra. And you do it. Okay? That's where we're going. That's it. That's this whole chapter. Okay? Next. Plug in 25. 25 times 4. 4/4 is a 4/4. Come on, people. How much you got? $1, right? 100. Okay? So 100 plus 3 is 103. Okay? 5/4. A 125. 125 minus 22 is 103. Are those equal? Okay. That means that angle 4 is congruent to angle 5. That means we're talking about this, right? It's either going to be alternate interior, alternate exterior, or corresponding. So let's look at angle 4 and 5. So we erase 1 and 8, and we look at 4 and 5. Sancha, are these alternating, or are they on the same side?
5 and 4?
Yeah,
They're alternating.
perfect. Carlos, are they both inside, or are they both outside, or one of each?
One of each.
Close? Not quite. So let me ask you again. Are they both in the red? Are they both in the brown? Or is one in the brown and one in the red?
I can't see that.
Okay, that's why. Okay. So we were guessing. Okay? So get closer. Skylar. Are they both in the red? They're both in the red. The red is interior. So if they're both interior and they're alternating, what do we call them? That's it. That's it.
I'm gonna go back to
Okay. Does that make sense, Carlos? If you could see that they were both in there,
Yeah.
that there would be alternating interior. Okay? All right. Rolando? Does that make sense? It's not as hard as as you might have thought it would be, right? Coming in?
Probably.
Okay? Good. All right. 3 and 5. Let's plug it in. What is 2 times 30? And 60 plus 15? 75. What's 3 times 30? 90. 90 plus 15? 105. Oops, forgot the 1. All right. Are those equal? No. But when I add them up, how much are they? 75 plus 105. 180. Which means what? What does it mean if two things add up to be 180? Not sure. Okay, that's okay, because you haven't been here all year. I mean, hey, we're going to learn it though, and that is that they're supplementary. So once I know that when two angles add to be 180, that they're supplementary, now I can go, okay, then that means they're one of these two. Okay? So, we look at these two angles, 3 and 5. 3, 5's already done, okay? So 3 and 5. And are they alternating? No. Are they both inside or both outside? Both inside. Okay? So they're same side and they're inside, so we call that what? Same side, interior angles. That's it. It's like you were saying, they're both same side, right? They're inside, so they're both same side, inside angles. And if that's what you call them, then I'm cool with that. Okay? But they're called same side interior angles, and that's it. Same side interior angles. And that's it, guys. That's the homework. We got one more.